In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your transaction history in the Binance app on iPhone. Before we start, make sure your Binance app is updated to the latest version and that you're signed in on your iPhone. If you're prompted to log in, complete that first so your account data loads correctly. From the home screen of the Binance app, look to the bottom right corner and tap Assets. This is where you can see your balances and wallets. It's the central place for anything related to your funds, so starting here helps you get to the right records quickly. Next, tap Spot. Your spot wallet is the area tied to regular trading and most deposits and withdrawals. If you use other wallet types like funding or margin, spot is still the best place to review the bulk of your activity, and it's where the history icon we need will appear. Now look to the top right corner for the transaction history icon. It looks like a small sheet of paper with a tiny circle. Tap that. This opens the hub that stores your records and makes it easy to review what you've done on your account. At the top, choose the view that fits what you want to see. Open orders, order history, or trades history. Open orders shows anything currently pending. Order history shows completed or canceled orders. Trades history focuses on the fills, meaning the exact trades that executed. Switching between these views gives you a clear picture of both what's active and what's finished. To make sure nothing is filtered out, set the order type to all. This includes buy, sell, deposit, and withdraw in one place. Choosing all is helpful when you're trying to reconcile balances or simply confirm that a movement you expected has happened. When you see a specific entry you want to review, tap the transaction. This opens the details page. Here you'll typically find the asset, the amount, the time, the price or rate, any associated fees, and the status. For deposits and withdrawals, you may also see a network and a transaction identifier, which is useful for confirming activity on the blockchain. Take a moment to verify the status and timestamps so everything lines up with your expectations. If the list looks sparse, try switching between open orders, order history, and trades history, and scroll to see earlier entries. Staying within these views keeps you focused on the exact data you need. That's it. Open the app and log in, tap Assets, go into Spot, open the transaction history icon, choose your view, set order type to all, and tap any transaction to see the details. Follow along at your own pace, and you'll have your records at your fingertips whenever you need them.